Okay, well, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make this stair-step wall shelf, stair-step like wall shelf. This is the reference. Okay, first of all, we have to make the rotated rectangle for making the existing wall by using rotated rectangle, and we can set the thickness of the wall around 150 millimeter, and then we have to push it up until the 4 meter, for example. Okay, this one. Then we have to triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so then we have to make the guideline. We have to make the guideline for making this shelves. Okay, start from here by typing the value for 450 millimeter, and the height of the shelves is around 200, and then we can continue it uh, one by one. We have to select this two line, and then we have to move and press Control to duplicate it. Okay, and then move again and press Control again until we get the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, until we can get the value as we want anyway. Okay, so then we have to move and duplicate it, and we have to make group first, and then we have to flip it along with the blue. Okay, this one, and then we have to explode, and then we can make the line first in here until here, and then we have to move and place on this position. Okay, then we can using the line until this position and draw the line again, and then we have to move it again until this position and duplicate. Don't forget to duplicate and this position. Okay, it's done. Okay, maybe we have to delete it first. So we have to click this one and offset to the outside around 30. Then we have to close the polyline. Then we have to then we have to offset it outside around 30 millimeter. Okay, so then we have to close the polyline. Okay, and done. And we have to push it to the front around 400, and push it to the front around 400. Triple click, make group, triple click, and make group. Then uh, we have using the rectangle. Okay, triple click and make group. Okay, it's done. And we have to make the another rectangle again in this position and push it until the another position like this. Triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so then we have to assign the material with wood material as usual. Okay, okay, and it's has been done. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.